everyone, and welcome back to English Every Day. I'm your host, Taylor, and I'm really happy you're here with us again. Today, we have a fun and super useful topic, shopping, something we all do no matter where we live, how old we are, or what language we speak. And of course, I'm not alone today. My amazing, funny, full of surprises co-host Jimmy is right here with me. Hey, Jimmy, how are you doing today?
Hey, Taylor. Hey, listeners. I'm feeling great and slightly broke because of my last shopping adventure.
Broke? Oh no, that already sounds like a story. But before we get into details, let me ask you this. When was your last shopping trip and what did you buy?
Let me think. Actually, it was 2 days ago. I went to the store just to buy milk. But I came home with milk, cookies, a candle that smells like watermelon, 2 notebooks, and a miniature cactus. And I still don't know why I bought a cactus. I don't even like plants.
That sounds like classic, went for one thing, came back with a whole new lifestyle. So be honest, was it a good purchase or do you regret it?
The cookies were amazing. The candle was okay. And the cactus, well, it's now sitting on my desk judging me silently. So I would say 30% useful, 70% emotional confusion. Anyway, that was my latest shopping experience. What about you, Taylor? When was your last purchase and what did you buy?
I love that calculation. All right, my turn. Since you asked, let me tell you. I actually ordered something online and it arrived yesterday. Guess what it was?
Something practical? Something educational? Something cool for the podcast? Or a giant stuffed animal the size of a refrigerator?
Not that big, but close. I bought a really warm, fluffy, oversized hoodie blanket. The kind that makes you feel like a cozy walking marshmallow.
Oh, wow. That sounds like the perfect stay home and ignore everyone item. Was it a good purchase? Rate it from 1 to 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10. No regrets. Actually, maybe even 11, because when I put it on, it feels like winter can't hurt me anymore.
I love that. So I guess your purchase was smart, comfortable, useful, and emotionally healing. Meanwhile, I bought a cactus that emotionally damages me.
Well, shopping experiences are always different. Sometimes smart, sometimes funny, sometimes weird, sometimes surprisingly perfect. And that's exactly why today's episode will be fun. We're going to talk about different types of shopping, real challenges, useful English phrases, and some hilarious mistakes along the way.
Yes, whether it's daily groceries, weekend shopping, tech shopping, clothing, gifts, online orders, or late night, I don't need this, but I'm buying it anyway moments. We're covering everything.
All right, let's dive in. First, we have grocery shopping. Buying everyday things like food, drinks, snacks, vegetables, bread, and cleaning products. This is the most common kind of shopping because everyone needs it. And for many English learners, the supermarket is the first real place where they must use English, even if it's just asking simple questions. You deal with signs, labels, sections like produce, dairy, frozen foods, and sometimes even store announcements that feel way too fast. It's totally normal. Supermarkets are full of vocabulary you don't learn from textbooks.
Exactly. And it's where English learners often hear those fast questions like, paper or plastic? Do you need a bag? Do you have a rewards card? And the cashiers say it at light speed. Scary stuff. Supermarkets feel like English exams sometimes.
And then there's the classic problem you can't find something, and you have to ask an employee.
Which feels like another speaking test. Hi, excuse me, where is the peanut butter? And the worker answers super fast. Aisle 7, halfway down on the white next to the Jans. And you're like, okay, I understood maybe 3 words.
But honestly, grocery stores are one of the best places to practice real English. The conversations are short, simple, and always useful.
Yeah, and you also learned real-life phrases like, is this on sale? Do you take coupons? Do you have this in stock? All the survival English.
Exactly. Grocery shopping isn't just shopping, it's everyday English training. Second, we have mall shopping, especially clothing shopping. Here you need words like size, fit, try on, fitting room, exchange, and return.
Yeah, clothing stores are vocabulary jungles. Nothing is simple. Even medium means something different in every brand.
Exactly. And you have to ask questions like, do you have this in a larger size? Or, where is the fitting room?
And the moment you enter a store, the battle begins. You tell yourself, I'm just looking. But 20 minutes later, you walk out with a bag, a receipt, and a completely new personality.
It's so true. And the lights in clothing stores make everything look amazing.
Yes, the mirrors lie. They tell you, you look great, buy it. Then at home, the mirror says, nope, that was a mistake.
That's why clothing shopping can be stressful. You need to talk about sizes, colors, returns, exchanges, and still decide if something actually looks good on you.
Exactly. And sometimes you want the item to look good so badly that you convince yourself it does.
But having the right English phrases helps you stay confident and avoid buying clothes you'll never wear. Then there's online shopping, websites like Amazon, eBay, or a store's app. You don't talk to people face to face, but you have to understand phrases like add to cart, delivery date, customer reviews, track order, estimated arrival, and return label.
Yeah, online shopping is a whole different world. Everything looks perfect, the photos look amazing, and suddenly every product feels like something you need.
Exactly. And you also have to check things like price, size, color options, shipping fees, whether it's available, and if the seller is even trustworthy.
And let's not forget the reviews. People write novels in the review section. 1 star. This toothbrush ruined my mood for 3 days. Like, what happened to you?
But reviews matter because sometimes the product looks great in pictures, and then in real life, it's the size of a peanut.
Or it says free shipping, but during checkout, they add 12 mysterious fees like processing, handling, and maybe breathing.
And after you finally buy something, you have to track the order. Sometimes the package arrives in 2 days. Sometimes it takes 3 months and travels to 5 countries first.
Yes, You look at the tracking info and it says your package is in Germany, Turkey, Mars, back to China, out for delivery. Why? It just sucks.
And if something goes wrong, you need to use phrases like, I received the wrong item. My order is delayed. How can I contact customer service?
But the real danger of online shopping is this. It steals your money quietly at 1 or 2 a.m. You tell yourself, let me just check something. 5 minutes later, congratulations, your order will arrive tomorrow.
Yes, nighttime shopping is the most dangerous kind. Your brain goes on vacation and your finger becomes a buying machine.
And the next morning, you see the order confirmation and think, why did I buy a lamp shaped like a pineapple? No explanation.
Still, online shopping is amazing when you know how to use it. Easy, fast, and full of useful English vocabulary.
Exactly. Just don't shop when you're sleepy, hungry, or emotional. That's when the strange items enter your cart. Next, we have gift shopping. Buying something for birthdays, holidays, parties, family, friends, or coworkers. This one usually takes more time because you want the perfect gift. You need English phrases like gift receipt, wrapped or unwrapped, personalized gift, budget, and delivery options. And the problem is, you never know what to buy. You walk around thinking, do they need this? Do they want this? Will they hate this? Gift shopping is basically emotional homework.
Exactly. And you also have to think about the price. Not too cheap, not too expensive, just acceptable.
Plus, the card. You stand there reading every greeting card like, is this too funny? Too serious? Too romantic? Too boring?
And wrapping the gift. Some stores ask, would you like it gift wrapped? And you're like, yes, please, because I cannot wrap anything.
Same. If I wrap a gift, it looks like a confused sandwich.
But when you finally find a good gift, it feels great.
Yeah, until you remember you still have 5 more people to buy for.
You also have pharmacy shopping, buying medicine, vitamins, shampoo, soap, toothpaste, skincare, allergy pills, or anything health-related. And this is where people ask things like, do you have a prescription? Are you allergic to anything? Or do you want the generic version or the brand name?
Pharmacies are like a mini supermarket mixed with a mini hospital. Confusing, but very useful.
Exactly. And sometimes you don't know where anything is. You're like, why is the shampoo next to the vitamins? And why are the chocolates right beside the painkillers?
That's true. Also, the pharmacist always asks very serious questions. Are you currently taking any other medication? And I panic. I suddenly forget everything I've taken in my whole life.
And many English learners get confused by words like dosage, directions, side effects, apply twice daily, extra strength.
Yes. And the worst part is when you try to buy something simple like cold medicine. There are like 40 different boxes. Daytime, nighttime, severe, extra severe, non-drowsy, ultra strength. I just want the one that makes me not sick.
And pharmacies also sell everything: snacks, makeup, batteries, toys, cleaning supplies.
Yeah, you go in for cough syrup and you come out with chips, shampoo, a phone charger, and absolutely no plan.
Right? And finally, we have drive-through shopping, or ordering food from your car. Here you need short, clear sentences, because the speaker is fast, the menu is long, and the car behind you is probably impatient. You'll hear phrases like, "Go ahead," "Can I take your order?" "Anything else?" And your total is...
Yes, drive-through English is the final boss of shopping. If you survive it, your English level goes up automatically.
And sometimes the speaker sounds like this. Welcome. Take your order. And you're sitting in your car like, is that English or a broken robot?
Exactly. And when you finally understand the menu, you still panic. Can I get, 1 second, please? And then you order something weird because you felt the pressure.
Also, they speak fast. Would you like fries with that? Any drinks? Your total is $12.49. Drive up, please. No spaces, no breathing.
And sometimes you ask for one burger and somehow you receive a family-size meal plus 3 sauces you didn't ask for.
But there's good news. If you practice the basic lines like, "I'd like no ice, please," "That's everything," and "Can I get it to go?" drive-through English becomes much easier.
Yeah, until they ask, "Do you want to try our new double spicy mega crispy combo special limited edition thing?" And suddenly you're stressed again.
And that's it for today's episode. We explored 7 different types of shopping, from groceries to gifts to drive-through adventures. And now you have the vocabulary and the confidence to survive all of them.
Yes, if you can order food at a drive-thru, you can basically do anything in English. You're unstoppable now.
We hope today's conversation helped you, made you smile, and most importantly, made English feel a little easier and a lot more fun.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need brave English. Use what you know, and the rest will grow.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the English Everyday channel so you never miss our next lessons.
We're always here, cheering for you, learning with you, and sometimes confusing you with my jokes.
See you next time, everyone, on our channel. Bye-bye.
Take care and keep learning. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.